Good day, good afternoon, good evening. This is Roger Chowdhury, signing in with the BFN, the Business Financial Network. Hope you guys are having an unbelievable trading day. We want to, inform you about something that we think is extremely important for you to pay attention to. And that's the amount of people sitting around at home during this pandemic. With all these grocery stores, with all these different restrictions, various different restrictions in different parts of the world, we're finding it harder and harder for people to find really good meals. And it's really interesting. This company came across, a buddy of mine opened up an e-com platform, did extremely well with it, sold it to a bigger entity, and this bigger entity now has gone public. And the stock ticker is ECOM on the TSX Venture. And, we've been of the opinion here at BFN in our private trading live chat group that this company is one to keep on your radar and pay attention to. Some of our members have already won with this, so congratulations on today's moves. It made a big move today, so congratulations to all of our members. And let's get into a bit of what these guys did as of recent today. So Emerge acquires truLOCAL, a market leader in direct-to-consumer meat subscriptions for up to $16.8 million. I don't know if you guys have heard or not, but there's a lot of these meal kit companies out there promoting how easy and healthy this alternative can be. We believe this is a disruptor, and it was really smart of the CEO and the rest of the key players behind this acquisition. The total purchase price of the transaction is up to $16.8 million. The initial consideration payable by Emerge in connection with the acquisition of truLOCAL consisted of the following: a $6.5 million paid in cash upon closing of the transaction, and a 4,666,667 common shares of Emerge. 2 years from the date of transaction, Emerge will pay deferred cash and consideration of $1.5 million, so as long as a certain key employees, including Marc Lafleur, remain with truLOCAL. In addition, its contingent earn-out of up to $4.5 million may be payable based on overall operating performance of truLOCAL over a 2-year period following closing, with up to a $1.5 million in cash in year 1 and up to $1.5 million in cash and up to $1.5 million in cash in Emerge shares in year 2. The transaction was funded with cash on hand and drawing the final $3 million available from Emerge's debt facility. In truLOCAL, we have acquired a profitable market leader in the lucrative food tech space. It happens to be one of the fastest growing companies in Canada, said Emerge founder, CEO Ghassan Hazalan. Through the pandemic, online shopping for groceries, meats in particular, has been a best-selling vertical across both Emerge and the e-commerce sector at large, sparking our strategic interest in the category and eventually leading us to the formidable business that is truLOCAL under Marc's leadership. truLOCAL generated a revenue of approximately $19.8 million unaudited in 12 months ending in December 31st, 2020, representing over 130% growth year over year, and is expected to be immediately accretive to Emerge's earnings. The acquisition will see the founding team and the brand remain in place. The 4 years we have been fortunate enough to put together a team of dedicated individuals who have worked together to make truLOCAL the Canadian category leader in meat subscription. In the process, we've introduced local farmers, producers, and suppliers to the power of e-commerce, connecting them with thousands of loyal, health-conscious consumers across the country, said Marc Lafleur, the founder and CEO of truLOCAL. We're excited to leverage Emerge's acquisition engine and gain access to their full site of shared services, data insights, and cross-selling with their extensive member database. truLOCAL has achieved this success because of our amazing community of customers who have supported us and offered genuine feedback along the way. truLOCAL, by the way, guys, is headquartered in Kitchener, Ontario, okay? With offices and facilities in Vancouver, Calgary, and Chicago, okay? truLOCAL has the potential to become an iconic Canadian e-commerce brand and is well positioned to do that under Emerge. In 2021 and beyond, we plan to continue to acquire and accelerate market-leading e-commerce assets as we set out to become the preeminent consolidator of digital brands across North America, said Drew Green, Emerge chairman. Guys, this is a sleeping giant. These guys are going to be putting this company on the books. This company is already at 130% year over year growth. And I want you guys to understand this. My friend owned a company called Buytopia with his business partner, Michelle. And Michelle's a dragon on the Dragon's Den. And the most craziest thing is these guys were in a growth stage. All their data, all their buy data, all their customers, Emerge bought. So Emerge is going out there acquiring all these e-com platforms, you know, the WAGs, that are very similar to a Groupon model, and they're going to plug in other assets that are disruptors like this one. And again, we are not financial advisors, but we are of the opinion that Emerge is going in a certain trajectory, and that's on its way up. So congratulations to all our members that have done well with this, and we look forward to helping this company create more visibility, more exposure, and more education so people know about what it's doing, okay? So